Hello everyone. This is what high 80s and unbelievable humidity day after day after day does to your potatoes. I've been putting a steady supply of sulfur and other organic materials to try and stop all this, but the weather is just not right for Irish type potatoes. I decided to see what we had in here, and yesterday I dug out 3 very nice little potatoes. So I thought we'll go ahead and harvest these since there's not a whole lot of tops left and get something more productive in here. So let's see what all we got. Pull the plants out. I'll throw them way out in the back. I won't run that through the compost, because I don't want any of that disease to stay in there. So there's a nice potato. That's about the size of the 3 I got yesterday. These went out in February. Remember, I'm in zone 7 in Atlanta, out northeast of Atlanta. Nice to see soil with earthworms in it. Well, obviously one of those was a little bacon potato. Such a poor, sad looking plant. Not too bad a harvest coming out. Yeah, picked 3 others yesterday for a plant that didn't get much of a chance to really get started. Not too bad a harvest. I'll enrich this soil real good and get something growing in it here in a very short period of time. So there's the first of the potato harvest here in Atlanta from a really sad looking plant. Thank you for watching.